rats!
I'm the king of monsters. I can do what I like.
I don't think it's a good idea.
See?
That proves nothing. Gargan agrees to anything if you offer him oil for his chainsaw tummy button.
I can't see no problem with this.
Besides, look at that. King Ghidorah's got the worst poker faces around. You're hiding something.
Oh, come on. You're ganging up on me again. It's just not fair.
I don't think it's fair.
Why is it always me, Godzilla? Sometimes I think you just have a grudge. Look me in the eye and tell me this isn't because I'm the only girl at this table.
You're a girl? But your name is King Ghidorah.
I can't help it if my parents have avant-garde naming traditions.
No, look, the only girl around here is Rodan.
Hey, I'm a guy.
That's not impossible. You lay eggs.
So do you.
Yes, well, I'm a girl. Well, sometimes. Well, if I want to be. Look, it's complicated.
Gargan's a chicken.
Well, seeing as now I know, maybe you'd like to,
Grab a bite to eat?
yes, if you'd like to.